everybody, just another catch up, folks. Yeah, just been throwing a few Unomis and some T-bowls. Here's a quick look at my last glaze firing, and this is it, folks. One survivor from a 7-hour firing. Fortunately, my olive bowls all exploded. Well, all but one. It looks like the bases were too thick, but I have thrown pots with bigger, thicker bases than these, and they've survived. So, yeah, well, it doesn't look that thick actually. So yeah, I think the only reason that survived the firing is because it's unglazed. It's just got a bit of ash sprayed over it. But, well, look on the bright side, I suppose one pot survived. Yeah, so I've just weighed up a couple of pounds of clay. Just going to pop the camera on here. There was a pitcher or jug in that firing that was for somebody. Unfortunately, it's absolutely covered in shards of clay, so I'm going to make them another one. That's two pretty bad firings in a row now, but I'm not going to get disheartened. Well, I am actually. It's quite annoying. I've had another firing today, so fingers crossed. Tomorrow when I open the kiln, I've got some nicer results. Not going to speak too much because the microphone's playing up on my camera. I thought it was the memory card, but I've got a new memory card now and it's still doing it, so obviously something wrong with the speaker. Pesky air bubble there. wobbly rim there. And nothing over elaborate, just a functional jug. Do you want to find my hole cutter for the spout? A bit of a tool sort out, I think. Everything is all over the place. Oh, I can't find it. What to do there? Finger one. There we go. This makes it through wiring. Like this, the fire. Okay, thanks for watching. Bye for now. Watch. Bye.